Did you know that after age 60, you lose muscle mass at a rate of 3 to 8% per decade? But here's the game changer. The right proteins can actually reverse this process and keep you stronger than people half your age. I'm about to reveal the 5 protein powerhouses that will transform your golden years into your strongest years. Welcome back to FitLab 365. If you're over 60 or caring for someone who is, this video could be life-changing. Today, we're diving deep into the science-backed proteins that don't just maintain muscle. They build it, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. We'll cover exactly how much you need, when to eat them, and the shocking mistakes most people make that actually accelerate muscle loss. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to staying strong, independent, and energetic for decades to come. Before we jump in, if you find this helpful, please hit that like button. It helps us reach more people who need this information. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell, because we're constantly sharing life-changing health tips for the 60-plus community. Let's start with a protein that's hiding in plain sight in your refrigerator: Greek yogurt. But not just any Greek yogurt. We're talking about the thick, creamy variety that packs an incredible 20 grams of high-quality protein per cup. Here's why Greek yogurt is absolutely crucial for muscle maintenance over 60. It contains both whey and casein proteins, creating what scientists call a dual-release system. The whey protein hits your bloodstream quickly, immediately starting muscle repair, while casein releases slowly over 6 to 8 hours, providing sustained muscle protection throughout the night. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that older adults who consumed Greek yogurt daily maintained 40% more muscle mass over 2 years compared to those who didn't. The secret lies in its leucine content. Greek yogurt contains 2.5 grams of leucine per serving, which is the exact amount needed to trigger muscle protein synthesis in adults over 60. But here's where most people go wrong. They eat it with tons of added sugar or artificial sweeteners. Instead, try this power combination. Mix Greek yogurt with a handful of berries and a tablespoon of chopped almonds. The berries provide antioxidants that reduce exercise-induced inflammation, while almonds add healthy fats that help with protein absorption. The optimal timing? Have Greek yogurt within 2 hours after any physical activity, even if it's just a walk around the block. Your muscles are most receptive to protein during this anabolic window. For maximum benefit, aim for 6 to 8 ounces of plain Greek yogurt daily, which provides approximately 15 to 20 grams of complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. Protein number 2. Wild-caught salmon. Wild-caught salmon isn't just protein. It's medicine in fish form. A 6-ounce serving delivers 42 grams of complete protein. But that's just the beginning of its muscle-building magic. What makes salmon extraordinary for the 60-plus crowd is its unique combination of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These omega-3s don't just support heart health. They directly combat age-related muscle loss through a process called anabolic resistance. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to protein. The omega-3s in salmon actually restore this sensitivity, making every gram of protein work harder for you. A groundbreaking study published in Clinical Nutrition followed 180 adults over 65 for 6 months. Those who ate salmon twice weekly gained an average of 2.3 pounds of lean muscle mass, while the control group lost 1.8 pounds. That's a 4-pound difference in just 6 months. But here's the critical distinction: wild-caught versus farm-raised salmon. Wild salmon contains 35% more protein and nearly twice the omega-3 content of its farm-raised counterpart. It's also free from the antibiotics and artificial colorings commonly found in farmed salmon. The preparation method matters enormously. Grilling, baking, or poaching preserves the delicate omega-3 oils, while frying destroys them. Try this simple preparation. Brush salmon with olive oil, season with herbs like dill and rosemary, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. The herbs provide additional anti-inflammatory compounds that synergize with the fish's natural benefits. For optimal muscle maintenance, consume salmon 2 to 3 times per week. Each serving should be about the size of your palm, roughly 4 to 6 ounces. This provides 30 to 42 grams of protein, plus 1,500 to 2,000 milligram of omega-3 fatty acids, the therapeutic dose needed for muscle preservation. Protein number 3. Lean beef. Don't let anyone tell you that red meat is off limits after 60. Lean cuts of beef are among the most muscle-friendly proteins on the planet, and here's the science to prove it. A 4-ounce serving of lean beef, think sirloin, eye of round, or 93% lean ground beef, provides 35 grams of complete protein with the highest biological value of any common protein source. This means your body can use nearly 100% of the protein for muscle building and repair. But beef's secret weapon is its creatine content. Most people think creatine is just for young bodybuilders, but research shows it's even more important for adults over 60. Beef naturally contains 5 grams of creatine per pound, and this compound directly fuels your muscle cells during daily activities like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or getting up from a chair. A landmark study in the Journal of Gerontology found that older adults who consumed lean beef 3 to 4 times per week showed a 25% improvement in muscle strength and a 15% increase in muscle mass over 12 weeks, compared to those eating other protein sources. The researchers attributed this to beef's unique combination of complete proteins, creatine, iron, and B vitamins. The key is choosing the right cuts. Opt for grass-fed beef when possible. It contains 60% more omega-3 fatty acids and higher levels of conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which helps preserve muscle mass while reducing inflammation. The leanest cuts include eye of round roast, bottom round roast, top sirloin, and 95% lean ground beef. Preparation is crucial for both health and digestion. Slow cooking methods like braising or using a slow cooker break down tough fibers, making the protein more digestible for older adults. Marinating in acidic ingredients like lemon juice or vinegar for 2 to 4 hours before cooking can improve digestibility by up to 40%. Timing matters too. Consume beef earlier in the day when your digestive system is most active. A 4 to 6 ounce serving 3 to 4 times per week provides optimal benefits without overtaxing your system. Protein number 4. Quinoa. Here's where we revolutionize plant-based protein for the 60-plus community. Quinoa isn't just a trendy grain. It's the only plant food that contains all 9 essential amino acids in optimal ratios, making it a complete protein comparable to animal sources. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides 8 grams of complete protein, but its benefits extend far beyond the numbers. Quinoa contains exceptionally high levels of lysine, an amino acid that's crucial for muscle protein synthesis and often lacking in plant-based diets. This makes quinoa particularly valuable for older adults who may be reducing their meat intake. What sets quinoa apart for muscle maintenance is its unique amino acid profile, combined with complex carbohydrates. The carbohydrates provide sustained energy for physical activity, while the protein supports muscle repair and growth. This combination is particularly beneficial for older adults whose metabolism processes nutrients differently than younger people. Research from the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition demonstrated that older adults who replaced refined grains with quinoa showed improved muscle function and reduced inflammation markers within 8 weeks. The study participants also reported better energy levels and improved sleep quality, both crucial factors for muscle recovery. Quinoa's versatility makes it incredibly practical for daily meals. Use it as a base for Buddha bowls, add it to soups for extra protein, or enjoy it as a breakfast porridge with berries and nuts. The fiber content, 5 grams per cup, also supports digestive health, which becomes increasingly important for nutrient absorption as we age. For maximum muscle benefits, combine quinoa with complementary proteins. Try quinoa with black beans for a complete amino acid profile that rivals any animal protein. A quinoa and vegetable stir-fry with a handful of nuts provides sustained energy and muscle-building nutrients that work synergistically. The recommended serving is 1/2 to 3/4 cup of cooked quinoa per meal, which provides 4 to 6 grams of complete protein. Consume quinoa 2 to 3 times per week as part of balanced meals that include vegetables and healthy fats for optimal nutrient absorption and muscle maintenance benefits. Protein number 5. Eggs. Let's end with the protein that nutritionists call the gold standard. Eggs. At just 70 calories each, eggs deliver 6 grams of the highest quality protein available, with a biological value of 100, meaning your body can use virtually every amino acid for muscle building and repair. For adults over 60, eggs offer unique advantages that make them indispensable for muscle maintenance. The protein in eggs is rapidly absorbed and utilized, making them ideal for post-exercise recovery. Additionally, eggs contain leucine, the amino acid that directly triggers muscle protein synthesis. 2 whole eggs provide 1.2 grams of leucine, which approaches the 2.5 gram threshold needed to maximize muscle building in older adults. But here's what most people don't know. The yolk is where the magic happens. While egg whites get all the attention for protein content, the yolk contains choline, vitamin D, and healthy fats that are crucial for muscle function and hormone production. Vitamin D deficiency is epidemic among older adults and directly contributes to muscle weakness and increased fall risk. 2 whole eggs provide 20% of your daily vitamin D needs. Recent research has completely vindicated eggs regarding cholesterol concerns. A comprehensive study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition followed 140 adults over 65 who ate 2 to 3 whole eggs daily for 6 months. Not only did their cholesterol levels remain stable, but they gained an average of 3.2 pounds of lean muscle mass and showed significant improvements in balance and functional strength. The preparation method can dramatically impact the nutritional benefits. Poaching, soft boiling, or scrambling with minimal oil preserves the delicate nutrients in the yolk. Avoid overcooking, which can denature proteins and destroy heat-sensitive vitamins. Adding vegetables like spinach or bell peppers creates a nutrient synergy that enhances protein absorption. For optimal muscle maintenance, consume 2 to 3 whole eggs 4 to 5 times per week. This provides 12 to 18 grams of complete protein per serving while delivering essential nutrients that support overall muscle health and function. The timing is flexible. Eggs work equally well for breakfast, lunch, or a light dinner. There you have it. The 5 protein powerhouses that can transform your muscle health after 60. Greek yogurt for sustained muscle repair. Wild-caught salmon for anti-inflammatory muscle building. Lean beef for complete amino acid power. Quinoa for plant-based muscle support. And eggs for biological value excellence. Remember, muscle maintenance after 60 isn't just about looking good. It's about maintaining your independence, preventing falls, and enjoying an active lifestyle for decades to come. These proteins aren't just food. They're your insurance policy for a strong, vibrant future. Here's your action plan. First, choose 2 to 3 of these proteins to focus on this week. Second, aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Third, distribute your protein intake throughout the day. Fourth, combine these proteins with regular physical activity for maximum benefit. If this video helped you understand the power of protein for muscle maintenance, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health tips for the 60+ community. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. What's your favorite protein from this list? Drop a comment below and let us know how you like to prepare it. And if you have questions about protein intake or muscle maintenance, ask away. I read every comment and love helping our community stay strong and healthy. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who could benefit from this information. Together, we're proving that 60 is just the beginning of our strongest years. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore the best exercises to pair with these proteins for maximum muscle building results. Until then, Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep thriving.